What is up, YouTube? Doing a little bit different video today, different kind of video. I'm gonna show you guys how to write some Java source code in Eclipse. You can use NetBeans if you have Windows. Basically, you're gonna open up your Eclipse once you download it, and you're gonna select you're gonna select File, New, Java Project. We're just gonna call this Java Tutorial, and it's located in my desktop programming. We're just going to use the default Java runtime environment, and I'm going to next. Here's the source code and all the stuff that comes with it. You don't need to worry about that for now. We're going to create a basic tutorial. We're going to add a class first of all. File, new class, and this is just going to be our. This is going to be the. Let's see. This will just be the root. I guess you can't go with that. This will be the home class, and the default package is discourage. Well, that's okay. And let me bring in this method stub. You need this public static void main. Basically, under the hood, the Java compiler is going to look for this, and this is the root of your application. We're just going to call this, let's change this to home, and we'll just finish that out. So now we got this is the auto-generated method stub. Basically, it's just saying this is how you write a function. It's public. You could take that out and make it private protected. But here's the class, and then inside this class we have our methods. Here's the main method. We won't really talk about constructors, but if you wanted to configure how your home method ran, you could write a function like this, public home. That'll be your constructor. Yeah, guys, so this static just means it's not going to return anything, or static means, sorry, that you can't implement it as a new instance. The void means it's not going to return anything. It's just the main method. It's just going to take an array of string arguments. And that's all that means, guys. You're going to be using that a lot. But what I'm going to do, we're going to create, I don't know, I guess we can create a just a person class, I guess. That's what I was experimenting with before. It's been a while since I've coded in Java. But yeah, so let's go up here, File, New, Class. We're going to call this one person. And basically, we'll finish that off. That's the person class, right? And we want to make a method in here. Well, first we want to give it some types. That this is sort of like Java's interface. So we'll make all these fields public. So we give public int age, public boolean of alive. That sounds kind of morbid. Public boolean, we'll just change it to cool, like if the person's cool. And a public field of public field string, and that's going to be an age. We're not going to deal with arrays here, but public string name. It's complaining, and then we'll create this constructor. Basically, the way you can, let me see if I don't think it has. Does it have insert? No, I don't know the shortcut for constructor. I know in Visual Studio you can do CTOR, but basically the way you remember the constructor, it's just the name of the class. And so public person, and all we want to do, we want to pass in here int of age, boolean of cool, and the string of name. This is the parameter it's going to accept on compilation, on the compilation time, runtime. And basically we're just going to say this dot age equals age, this dot cool equals cool. This just refers to this person class. That's all it is. I think when I tried before with just age equals age, the compiler sort of gets a little confused. You know, qualify left-hand assignment, qualify right-hand assignment. But we want to qualify the left-hand assignment because that really wouldn't make sense. Age equals this dot age, but whatever. That wouldn't do anything. And then this dot name. And you can sort of see it's pretty awesome. The Eclipse, you know, sort of has everything that is in this class, which is really cool that IntelliSense happening. this dot name equals name. Okay, and then we'll have this method public void greet, and all this is going to do is this is going to, we can't return anything because we put a void in there. So we're just going to use the system, which is just like the console, and then we can see out dot print line, which accepts really anything, and we're just going to say hello plus this stuff, or hello plus name plus welcome to your first Java tutorial. And then on this line, sort of stub that out again, get it, and then we'll say looks like you are plus age plus years old. And then we got one more, do the system.out.println, and you are, and then are you cool? And then this is just going to be plus cool. So this is our greet method in here. So now we have this class because Java is object oriented. It already knows about, you don't need an import statement here. So we got this, the home.java, and we got our method stub. So now we can get this person by saying we want a variable called person1 to be equal to a person type object, that's the interface, is equal to a new person, so there we're instantiating that person. And now if we look under here, it should say constructor person is undefined, add arguments to match person, int boolean string, right? So that's just saying, okay, well, in your person class, you said when the person was created, it's got to take in this int of age. Let me just see real quick if I can do this. Hold on, let me see. Int of age. What's it giving me? Int of age, boolean of cool, and string of name. Yeah, I don't know. I know in TypeScript with the question mark you can make it optional. I'm not sure how to do that in Java. I have to look it up. It's been a while since I programmed in Java. Let's check out that method stub. Oh, crap. Formatted it badly. And let's see. Refactor. Can we format? Content this is. Let me think. I don't know. Not really sure. Alright. So it's a new person. It's going to take in a name, Theo, age of 22, and cool is going to be true. Right? So now we can use our system class, or we can just do person1, a dot, and we see, okay, we got the age property, the cool, the equals, get class, greet. So we got this greet method, which is void. So now Java compiler is happy. If we click here, run, we should see, what's the error? Hold on, what is the error that we are getting? Constructor, string, int, boolean. String, int, boolean is undefined. Change constructor. Person, string, int, boolean. Ooh, what is the deal? Int. Oh, okay, I passed them in incorrectly. It's the other way around. So it's 22 true and Theo. I think that should satisfy it. There we go. So you got to pass the arguments in the way that they're provided. I guess it's kind of strict that way. So if we call this greet method, we run it. It should say, hello Theo, welcome to your first Java tutorial. Looks like you're 22 years old. Are you cool? True. So instead of here, we could write an if statement, and then we could say if cool is equal to true, and we could just say you are cool. Or sorry, put that in a string. Get rid of that. You are cool. Else take this. You are not cool. Everyone's cool, but anyways, save that, run it. It says you are cool. Change this to false, and we'll run this again. You are not cool, and we can even come in here and refactor this out, and we can say system.out.println. We can say cool equal to true question mark. You are cool. Otherwise, you are not cool. And that's our ternary operator right there. That's the condition, question mark, the true condition, the false condition. And if we run this again, you are not cool. Change this back to true. And you are cool. Let's kind of, hello Theo. Put that space in there, guys. Hello Theo, welcome to your first Java tutorial. It looks like you're 22 years old. You are cool. Alright guys, so that's it. Not too hard. Hopefully I can do some more Java tutorials for you. Not my favorite language, but I think it's really cool. Sort of feels old school. But thanks for watching. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.